Hi everyone, in this video we will have a look at percentage change. We'll start off with looking at percentage of an amount, then look at percentage decrease followed by percentage increase or a markup in the price. So over here we're looking at the value of a percentage, and that equals to percentage times by amount. So I have 30% of 150. First of all, we know that percent means out of 100, so 30 out of 100. Of means multiply, and 150 is 150. So that gives me 30 out of 100 times by 150. 30 out of 100 is the same as 0.3. So 0.3 times by 150, and that is 45. So we could always convert to decimals, a percentage into a decimal, then carry out the multiplication. Okay, over here we're looking at finding the amount. So this is when the value of a percentage is given and the actual percentage. So over here it says that there are 170 students in year 10, and this makes up 20% of the school. Now the question is, how many students are there in this particular school? So the value of the percentage is 170, and we're dividing this by the percentage, just 20%. Now we could rewrite 20% as a decimal, and 20% as a decimal is 0.2. So 170 divided by 0.2 is 850. Therefore, there are 850 students at this particular school. Now, the second concept we'll be having a look at today is percentage decrease or discount. And there's two different methods that can be used to approach these questions. Now, the first method involves finding the discount amount by having a look at the percentage decrease over 100 times by price, then deducting this from the original price. Now, the second method involves finding the new percentage after discount. So what percentage of the item retains its original value? And to do this, we take away the percentage decrease from 100. And to find the new price, we have a look at the new percentage after discount and multiply that by 100. So I will tackle the following example using the two methods, and you are more than welcome to pick and choose which method you want to use. Over here I have a phone plan that is $150, and it says what is the new price of the plan if a 20% Royal membership discount has been applied. So I'll approach this question using the two methods. Now for method one, first of all, I am required to find the discounted amount. To find the discounted amount, I need to take the percentage decrease and write that out of 100, so that's 20 out of 100, and times that by the price, which is 50. And that gives me $10. Now for step two, I need to find the new price. To find the new price, I do the old price, which is $50, take away the discount price, which is $10, and that gives me $40. So the new price of the plan is $40. Now, I've obtained this answer using method one. I will tackle this question using method two as well. So for method two, I need to start off with finding the new percentage after discount. So for that, I need to take away the percentage from 100. So 100 take away 20%, and that gives me 80%. To find the new price, I need to take 80% of the original price. So 80% can be rewritten as 80 over 100, and the old price was 50, and this also gives me $40. I have found that both with methods 1 and 2, that when a 20% discount is applied to a $50 plan, the new price is $40. Okay, the third concept we will have a look at today is percentage increase, or widely known as markup. So a markup is when there's a price increase. So it's opposite to a price decrease or a discount. This is when the price of an item has been increased. So for example, due to COVID-19, hand sanitizer prices have increased. So the prices have been marked up. Now, we will be using similar steps as to percentage decrease, but instead of subtracting, we will be adding because the price is being now increased. So over here, JB Hi-Fi has increased the price of a $160 Apple Magic Keyboard by 10%. And the question is asking us to find the new price. I will solve this question using both methods 1 and 2. So for method 1, I need to start off with writing the percentage increase over 100. So that's 10 over 100, and I need to multiply this by the original price, which is 160, and that is $16. So the new price is the original price plus the markup amount, and that is 160 plus 16, which is $176. So that's the new price of this Magic Keyboard. So we've obtained this using method 1. We'll also tackle this question using method 2. So for method 2, I need to find the new percentage after markup. And previously we subtracted the percentage from 100 when we were looking at discount. Over here we will add the percentage to 100 because the price is increasing. So I have 100 plus 10, so that's 110%. And to find the new price, do 110% of $160, and 110% can be rewritten as 110 over 100 times by 160, and that gives me $176. Again, I found the new price of this Magic Keyboard using method 2. Now, you pick and choose which method you want to use. And like last, we're looking at finding the original amount before percentage change. So if we are asked to find the new amount, that is new percentage times by original amount. So over here we are increasing 200 by 30%. So the new percentage is 100% plus 30%. And we are multiplying this by the original amount, which is 200. So 100 plus 30 is 130%, and we're multiplying this by 200. Again, 130 can be rewritten as 130 over 100 times by 200, and that gives us 260. And if we're asked to find the original amount, we can obtain this by dividing the new amount by the new percentage. So over here, a student grew 10% taller from last year and is now 145 centimetres tall. The question wants us to find this student's height last year. So to start off with, I need to write down the new amount, and the new amount is 145 centimetres. And I am dividing this by the new percentage. Now, because there's a growth, so there's an increase, we need to add that increase to 100. So that's 100 plus 10. And that gives us 110. Now, 110% though. So we need to be wary of the percentage. So of 145 over 110, I could rewrite 110% as decimal, and that is 1.1. So 145 divided by 1.1 gives me 131.82 centimetres. So this was this student's height last year.